I'm Sabrina Samuels, your lifestyle, etiquette, and relationship coach. You know, life is really beautiful when we make it that way. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabrina Samuels, and I thank you so much for tuning in. You're fabulous, and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to go to my store on Amazon. The outfit that I'm wearing for you today is from Amazon. Don't forget to purchase my online training program. It is really a good program. It shares a lot of incredible information, little nuggets that bless your life. And I share some of my secrets with you on my skin, my eating habits, different herbs that I take. So check it out. It's really good. It's really good. Okay, on this edition, I'm going to answer a question. And it says here, Sabrina Samuels, how can you give your age to someone and feel confident about it? I am single and in my late 50s, and I feel very insecure about telling my age. Wow. That's a good question, because so many people are like that. So many people don't want you to know their age, especially when they look younger than what they are. I love to tell my age to people because I know that age is only a number. Did you know that your body actually heals itself every year? Certain parts of the body, every so many months, heals itself. And it keeps going, replenishing, healing the body for the entire year, and then you get a new year and the body does it again. Now you might say, okay, if that's the case, why am I still sick? If that's the case, why am I still overweight? Why do I have diabetes? Why do I have whatever you might have? Well, we all have something that we're dealing with. But if you do the right things to your body, give it some help. If the doctor tells you you have cancer, you accept that information, you go home. Is that all you're going to do? Is take the medicine that the doctor gives you for cancer and wither away? Or are you going to take that information and the medicine that the doctor gives you and go on a holistic journey to help heal yourself? In other words, you're giving your body ammunition to fight back. But if you don't do that, you can't heal yourself. So you want to nourish your body. Water, of course. I always talk about water, and I definitely have a water purifying system where we live here in our home, and I love it, and I can take it with me if I decide to go someplace else. It takes all the terrible stuff out of the water, and it alkalines the water, and you can buy it from the store, or you can buy the machines. If you're ever interested in finding out about my machine, it is on my program, come to think about it. That's right. It's on my in my training program, but I'll be more than happy to share that information with you. Just email me or whatever, and I'll send the information to you. I'm into that health thing, so I know all the people who keep you healthy and, the different herbs and vitamins, etc. to take. But give your age. If I wouldn't volunteer it. I mean, if the person asks you for it, if you're on a date, then tell them and ask them how old are they. Be honest. I had a woman tell me once, Sabrina, I know what to do, but I just don't do it for some reason. Yeah, that's all of our problems. We all know what to do, but do you have the courage and the strength to do it? A lot of intelligent, beautiful people play themselves down because they don't want the attention, but at the same time they become very insecure about someone who doesn't do that. Someone else who shines and who radiates and who allows their light to shine. Well, if you don't want your light to shine, don't stop anyone else's light from shining. And don't you allow anyone to do that to you. And if you want your light to shine, you have to slowly get rid of the gunk in there. When they tell you you have high cholesterol, your arteries are clogged up, and so you got to, eat the right thing, do whatever you have to do to unclog your arteries. You got to unclog your subconscious mind too. You've got to put the right information in it. I want you to know that every day should be a good day, and you should be healing your body every day so that you will be ageless. You will be ageless. And I guarantee you, if you do it the right way, deal with your health issues, because there are a lot of things going on out here. But feed your body. Feed your body as you feed your mind. Feed your mind as you feed your body. And don't look around and say, well, I've been doing this for 3 months now and I'm still this way or that way. If it took you 15, 20, 30, 40 years to be where you are, it's not going to take you 2 minutes to get rid of it. I tell you, just keep doing it. Don't give up. Don't give up. Your miracle is on the way. So hopefully that made sense to the young lady. This has been a long question. This question was asked almost a year and a half ago. So I do apologize. And I think because I talk about my age all the time, that question was sort of answered, but I wanted to get to that. So I hope that you will remember age is a number. You're as beautiful and as young as you desire to be. Help the doctors out by taking care of yourself so that when you go in for a situation, you will know when you leave out of that doctor's office what you need to do. And you head right on over to the holistic store, to the Whole Food store, to the get online and shop with some of these distributors of excellent products, and take care of yourself and be your own best friend, your own best love. Until next time, I'm Sabrina Samuels. I wish you love, peace, happiness, and our Heavenly Father God, His divine order. He's the master. He's the one. I guarantee when you serve Him and trust Him, never doubt, faith, the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. He'll bring you through. He'll bring us through. Love you.